What's up guys, happy Friday and welcome back. My name is Ambrosia Carey and I am going to be sharing with you how I like to do balayage. But more importantly, I'm going to show you how I like to do a balayage by using my favorite additive. So more importantly, I'm actually going to be using one of my favorite additives that I like to add into my favorite lightener, because let's face it, sometimes clay lighteners, they take a little while to lighten up. So as you can see, based on the before, that I'm trying to lift through a darker level and kind of a dullness too. So I've decided in this situation, I'm going to use my favorite lightener. I'm going to add in Bali powder to my lightener, and I'm going to make it the consistency of clay so that I can go ahead and paint that right onto the hair. So I literally let that process for 15 minutes. I shampooed her at the bowl. You can see the shampoo that I used. I used in this review. I used the Char shampoo and conditioner by Surface, and it just gave me a chance to really clean off the hair and take a really good look at the color. I didn't have to use any toners this time, so I just wanted you to see in the raw how everything looked. I was really happy with it. I'm definitely gonna look forward to sharing more tips with you and just more technique. I hope you liked this video, guys. If you liked it, give the like button and definitely subscribe so that you can see my next video next Friday. Okay, bye guys.